3,500 years ago, a machine from origins unknown may have provided nutrition to Israelites roaming the desert. Was this a gift from ancient alien visitors? Could it be that aliens were the inspiration for all of our planet's religions? Are such technological gifts commonplace to this day? In the almost forgotten book, The Manna Machine, scholars George Sassoon and Rodney describe the translations of the ancient Jewish texts, such as the Zohar. These texts contain what amounts to a technical manual for the operation and maintenance of a machine of such sophistication it could not have been produced on this planet in that time period. Referred to in texts as the Ancient of Days or the Ancient One, the Manna Machine is described in terms of human body parts as correlation to parts of the machine. This nose, the nostril, that is in it blows the breath of life to the small-faced one, and they call it the sprinkler. And it brings the breath down to where it is sweetened, the breath that goes out of those tubes. Another breath goes out to the small-faced one, so that it can be excited by him in the Garden of Eden. Greater Holy Assembly, 175. The nose. In this nose, in the nostril tube that is in it, there blows the breath of life to the small-faced one. And in this nose, in the nostril tube, there hangs the H of life, which is different from the lower one. And this breath goes out of the concealed brain, and it is called the breath of life. Lower Holy Assembly, 136. For more information about the Manna Machine, check out some of our episodes where we discuss it in greater detail. Subscribe to the channel. And of course, leave your comments.